You don't need that today. Gotta put the little guy on. Third load. Don't say nothing bad, you're on video. The whole tree line. There's some out front too. Orange ribbon. There's a handful of them over there too. Sun's out, guns out. Things that gets me is setting these sawmills up. I can always fumble around here, get your tape measure, and then you got to measure from here to here. I know the numbers on it or whatever. It seems like mine are off a little bit from side to side. But what I do is, if I want 4.5, I go find something that's 4.5. I put it in there, waller it back and forth, tighten my nuts. I don't know, just a little tip. I've got 2-inch stuff, 3-inch stuff. Here's 3.5. Just a tip. There's my 1.5 inch. 2x4. If I want a 2-inch, I get this Reese deal. Any size you want, just go find it. Got this nice piece of oak. Man, that stuff's pretty. Right on. That's some pretty wood. Got some green in it. Look at that one. Oh, that's no chump. Very nice. Before I get rained on.